Okay, let's go over some new data protection and dimensioning and dialog box features. First of all, if I go in here to the AutoRail program, and when I click on the Customize box, you'll notice that there are tabs across the top for easier navigation. And we've added some interesting new features. One is that you can automatically place the bill of materials without having to place it manually. I'll show you how that works. And then under dimensions, we've added options where you can add centerline to centerline dimensions at the posts and at the pickets rather than the inside dimensions. You can pick which one you want to use there. Now, if you've gone in here and done some work on the customized box, like you've added a new shape or some new size channels or posts or tubings, and then you come out here and you mistakenly click import settings, what that would have done was have taken their information from the registry and wrote over all the information in the dialog box, and it would have erased all your new stuff. So we put in a warning here, you're about to overwrite the registry. Are you sure you want to import? And the answer would be no for that. What you want to do is if you've made changes to this dialog box, you want to export those settings to the rail settings file where it stores all that data for you and backs up that information. So now under FabCAD Premium Auto Rail settings or wherever you've set up your rail settings data location, that file is updated. So if you have to reinstall the program, you can just bring that settings file in and import all the settings you've created in the past. Another data saving feature is if I click on, we call it now level rail, a horizontal rail program, and I go and import a template and load it. And I'm going, all my members are all in here and all that. And in this situation, I have set up uh, where I am going to insert base plates. And when I do that, let me put in the base plate dimensions, click OK, click Draw. Okay, you notice you're not prompted to set the bill of materials box because we've automated that. You can turn that feature off. And we've also, if you do add base plates, you now will get the plan view of the base plates. But if you wanted to go back in and say you clicked the gate program by mistake, and you meant to click the horizontal level rail program, so when you get out of this, when you go back to this, the information is still here before it would be erased. So now all your members and your dimensions and all that stuff are still maintained. The data is saved. Also, if you go in and you open up a new drawing and you open up the rail program, the data is still saved. We've had some changes in the way we dimension stuff too. So say I want to do a secondary top rail, I'm just going to copy this piece to the secondary top rail. Okay, and click OK. And then when I go in here and set the offset distance is the actually daylight opening. So if I have a 4-inch panel or a 4-inch design going in between, and I need a 4-inch opening, all I just type in the 4, and it'll give me the inside dimension of that. Before it would do top to top or bottom to bottom. Uh, so when I draw it, the gap is 4 inches in between. We've made the same changes with the gate dimensions, the inside. So you notice that the lines are inside the inside for the bottom and top borders for the gate and also for the fence program. In the stair rail program, if you click off the landing, you now get a bend option that you can turn off or on. And this is for railings that set on step treads. And also, if you locate a stringer, you can add a bend. And you can also the option for the stringer bend here. So you can bend railing and the stringer at the top. Any questions about this or anything else we're doing on this new release? Please feel free to give us a call at the number you see on the screen or email us at info@fabcad.com. Thank you very much. Bye.